tire out your bulldog when you don't feel like taking her out in the snow for a walk?
Hello.
Round and round the garden. See the dog chase the dog.
That purple dog.
This is a doggy treadmill. The doggy treadmill. Chicker, go the other way. Ow. Alright. She's basically getting worn out now. She's losing speed. She's almost done. The merry-go-round goes slower and slower. She now hangs on to the dog just to get herself around each corner. Looks like it's going to be nap time soon. Oh, second gust of wind.
A walk by the shoulders has been updated.
Oh, press the red button.